did tell you this was my favourite place. I won't expose myself today and embarrass you all, and I won't sing Rub-a-Dub-Tub either. This is my dream place when you're stressed, just need to relax. This is just beautiful. The views at night are breathtaking. My absolutely favourite place to be when no one's around. I so love it. It's such a versatile home. I always feel if I had a holiday home, I could sell it and just live here, because I just feel like I'm on holiday most of the time. You just walk through those doors, and if you're stressed, if it's winter, get into the spa. Get your bottle of bubbly, it's beautiful. I do a lot of my work up here at the desk with the view. I do my ironing up here that I don't notice I'm even doing it. I have the big red television above the brass bed there. There's just, you could actually be self-sufficient up here. It is so time out. I'm sure that you will really enjoy it too. Give it a try. Come and see me. Thank you. Cheers.